Let's talk about bills and purchase orders. Bills are how you track money going out of your business to your suppliers. To get to bills, click Purchases, and then Bills. You might wonder, why bother creating a bill in Xero? Can't you just let it show up in your bank feed when you pay it? And you could, but your bank balance only tells you what has already happened. If you have a large bill due next week, your bank balance itself won't warn you of that. But when you enter a bill into Xero, it then shows up in your cash flow reporting. That way, Xero can show you what's coming out of your account accurately before it actually leaves. Your bank balance tells the past. Bills help you understand the future. You can create them in several ways, but for now, click New Bill, and then New Bill in the dropdown. Add your bill details here at the top, and then your items down below. When everything looks good, click Approve. Before we move on, it's important to understand how payments actually work in Xero. Xero doesn't send money to your supplier. You'll normally pay the bill in real life through your bank or your credit card, and then that payment will show up later in your bank feed. When it does, you'll match it during bank reconciliation, just like we did earlier. Now that you understand bills, let's look at purchase orders, which are a step earlier in the process. You send a purchase order to a supplier to confirm what you want to buy and at what price, before they ship you anything or send you a bill. To create one, click Purchases, and then Purchase Orders. Then click New Purchase Order in the top right. Start by choosing your supplier in the contact field, then check the date and the delivery date. Xero creates an order number automatically, and then you can add the items that you're ordering down below. Here you can add delivery information, and once you're happy with the details, click Approve to confirm the purchase order and get it ready to send to your supplier. After approving, you'll land on the purchase order itself. Here you can print or email it to your supplier. Later, when your delivery or your bill from the supplier arrives, come back to this purchase order and click Create Bill. Review the item and click Create Bill. This creates a draft bill using the same details from the purchase order, which keeps everything consistent and saves you time. Review the details, make sure everything matches what you actually received, and add a due date. Then click Approve, and the bill moves into your awaiting payment list alongside your other bills. You can see these bills by clicking here, Bills to Pay. Approving the bill isn't paying it. You're simply confirming that the expense is real so that it shows up in your accounts. If you haven't signed up yet, and you're now ready to get started, remember that you can use the special link in the description to get 90% off of your first 6 months using Xero. If you want to learn more, I have a detailed tutorial that covers a few things we didn't have time for today. Watch that next, or find it in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.